You all in our lecture series of PPCM. In our previous lecture, we have seen the safety measures for different construction work. Now we have to take topic project management information system. What do you mean by project management information system? Project management information system is the local organization of the information required for an organized to execute projects successfully. Means a PMIS is the short form of project management information system, is typically one or more software applications and a methodological process for collecting and using project information. Means we have to collect information and make a result with the help of software. For example, we have doing network analysis with the help of PERT and CPM method. This is a manual method, but that part we have to done with the help of software with the help of software. So we have less time for getting the results. So here we discuss this software application part. So a PMIS is typically a computer driven system to aid a project manager in the development of the project. A PMIS can calculate schedules, cost, expectations and likely results. The goal of PMIS is to automate, organize and provide control of the project management process. Okay. A project management information system serves 5 principal purposes. First, provide information for decision making, improve project management, demonstrate result through project evaluation, empower communities and other project stakeholders, and increase opportunities to learn from experience. These are the 5 special principal purpose of project information system. Now objectives of project management information system. First, record and report relevant information and the status of various components of the project in such a manner as to bring the most critical activities directly to the attention of concerned managers to appropriate level. Okay. Second, from the basis of updating of project schedule wherever necessary. Third, identify and report on critical areas which are relevant to different levels of management and to highlight the corrective action that needs to be taken. In short form, we say that the things which we have learned in our previous lectures is done by the project management information systems. Means all project management or the things we have or the methods we have used for the project management is all done by the project management information system, means with the help of the software applications. Okay. So fourth is the shift the information and report on an exception basis. In other words, emphasis is focused on those activities that are not going according to the plan. Provide a basis for the evolution of the performance of the function of various managers and departments by regular comparison with budget, plans and schedules. Now, features of a project management information systems. So first is scheduling and network planning. Virtually all project software system do project scheduling using a network based procedure. This system compute early and late schedule times, slack times and the critical path. Resource management. Most project system also performs resource loading, leveling, allocation or multiple function through the analytical sophistication and quality of reports vary between systems. Means these things is done by the project management information system. Budgeting. In many project system it is possible to associate cost information with each activity, usually by treating cost as resources. The ability of a system to handle cost information and generate budget is a significant variable in the system's usability for both planning and control. Next, cost control and performance analysis. Here is where the project system capabilities differ the most. The most sophisticated PMI software roll up results and allow aggregation, analysis and reporting all levels of the WBS. Means work breakdown structure. WBS means work breakdown structure. They also permit modification and updating of existing plans through input of actual start and finish date and cost. Next, reporting, graphics and communications. This is an important consideration because it affects the speed with which PMIS output are communicated and the accuracy of their interpretations. Many systems provide only tabular reports or crude schedule, others generate network and resource histogram. Still, others offer a variety of graphics including pie charts and line graphs. The main features to consider are the number, quality and the type of available reports and graphics. Means there are various softwares for that project management. So all softwares gives different paths. Means one gives resource histogram, one gives pie chart, line graph, etc. Now next, interface flexibility and ease of use. The capability of PMIS to interface with other software from which existing data files have been created is an important selection criteria. Now flexibility. System also vary widely in flexibility. Many systems are limited and perform a narrow set of functions which cannot be modified. And last one, ease of use. System vary greatly in the style of system, documentation, thoroughness and clarity of tutorials, ease of information input, clarity of screen presentation and report format, helpfulness of error messages and the training and operating support offered by the developers. So these are the various features of the project management information system. Now benefits of computer based project management information system. First, the benefits of computer project management information system over manual systems are speed, capacity, efficiency, economy, accuracy and ability to handle complexity. Means for example, if we have doing large projects, so for large project we have large network analysis and for that we have to solve or calculate various activities. We need a time and maybe we not get result in a proper manner, but if we use the project management information system, then we have to done this work with speed and accuracy and economically, etc. Okay. Now second benefit is, the major benefit is speed. Once data have been collected and entered, practically any manipulation can be done more rapidly by computers. To create or revise printed plans, schedules and budget takes days or weeks with a manual system, but seconds or minutes with computers. Third, this is especially true of internet and intranet project management system. Fifth, computer based PMIS stores large amounts of information that is easily assessed, prioritized and summarized. Computer based PMIS are much better at handling and integrating complex data relationship. Large projects with thousands of work tasks, hundreds of organizations and tens of thousands of workers cannot be managed efficiently without computers. For managing large projects, a computer based PMIS is a virtual necessity, but even in small projects it simply makes the works easier to manage. Simpler PMIS have limited capability, but they can be tremendous benefit. Also once mastered, it is easy to upgrade to more sophisticated system. And the speed, capacity and efficiency of computers afford still another benefit, that is the economy. Means they have different benefits for using this computer based project management information system, and most important is the speed. Okay, so these are the various benefits. Now project management software packages. Which software is used for project management work? Prism, it is manufactured by TCS or used by TCS. Instaplan, Wipro. Promise, means PROMIS, Integrated Project Management Group, it is the Indian agency. Prompt, PROMT, it is by BHEL. PMS, IBM, PCS, IBM. So these are various software packages for project management. Okay, so this lecture is over guys. We meet with another topic in our next lecture. Thank you.